Join me as I challenge to make the crispiest Qeema Kachori, or ever using just one secret ingredient. Today, I'm here to share with you a game-changing secret that will take your Qeema Kachori to the next level. The key to making the crispiest Qeema Kachori lies in one special addition that makes all the difference. The magic happens when you add cornstarch to your dough. Yes, you heard that right, cornstarch. It gives the kachori an incredible crunch that lasts even after it's cooled down a bit. So here's how you can incorporate it into your recipe. The cornstarch will help in creating that extra crispiness on the outside while keeping the inside soft. So give it a try and see the difference yourself. If you enjoyed this video and are looking for more delicious recipes, consider subscribing to my channel. In conclusion, making crispy Qeema Kachori at home is easier than you think. I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And enjoy crispy Qeema Kachori creations.